What's going on? My name's Kevin and welcome to Lighthouse Man TV, where we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. Today, we're starting a brand new series called You Asked, We Answered, where we answer questions presented by our customers. So let's dive in. Our first question comes from Bill Neidig from Frostproof, Florida. Bill writes, "Hello, Kevin. Can you please help me navigate through your website, as I cannot find any details, pictures, or even prices? Please bear with me, as I'm 82 years old and I know nothing about computers. All I know is that they frustrate me." Well, Bill, first of all, thank you very much for your questions, and trust me, you're not alone. I get this several times a year, and I'm more than happy to help. So let's answer Bill's questions, and we're starting right now. Okay, I think the best way to answer this question is to just hop on the website here and just go over how our website is constructed, where the navigation bars are at. This way you can easily move around through our website easily to get to wherever you need to go. So let's start at the very top here. At the very top, you're going to see this blue bar up here. This is going to have all of our social media icons where you can go to. It'll have our email, so that way you can email us. It has our telephone number. All kinds of other things. It also has our contact us page where you can go onto our website and fill out the application there and send us a message through our website. But the main section that you're really going to be using a lot is called our navigational bar, and this is our main for our website. This is our main navigational bar, and it's all broken down into various categories. So for example, this is our lawn lighthouses, which will break down into all the different varieties and styles of lawn lighthouses that we carry. Then this will be the lighthouse lighting options. So this will be all broken down to revolving beacon, solar beacon, Fresnel lenses, and then you can click on each individual one of these to take you to that individual page. And the next one then is our whole section for our DIY lighthouse kits and plans customers. That's going to be for your plans, your assembly kits, your completed tops. All that can be found here in this section of our website. The next is just going to be like our wishing wells, our other lawn ornaments that we provide, and then our other nautical decor that we do. So again, this is going to be your main section that you're always going to be going to. And this section also will go with you wherever you go. So you'll see if you start scrolling down here, right there, everything is still there that you can still go to wherever you need to go. So if we do continue going down on our screen here, this is the home screen. Again, so if we continue going down here, you're going to see we also have what's called a tab navigational bar then too. So that means that you can click on each one of these tabs and it's going to take you to wherever you need to, what you're looking for. So whenever it's highlighted, it's going to bring up the section. It's going to show you a picture. It's going to tell you a little bit about it. And then you'll be able to click on that picture or any of this stuff here, and it's going to take you to that portion of our website. Same thing over here. It's just another tabs that you can hit and to take it. So again, it's just another navigational aid that you can use to get further on into our website and everything. If you keep going down, just to give you more information on our homepage, here's all kinds of reviews and stuff that people have left us. These are all 100% valid reviews from trusted sources like Google, Facebook, all of them that were done on their platforms and stuff. If you keep going down, this is the bottom section, which is also called the footer of the website. This is the same on every single page. So you'll see you can get your catalog here. It's a QR code that you can bring up on your cell phone. So you can actually have your catalog on your cell phone. This is more customer reviews. Here's more of our general information, our address, telephone number, our hours of operation. And then here's our subscribe to our newsletter section. So let's go back up to the very top here again. And we were talking about this navigational bar. So again, if you're interested here, what you would do, like say you're interested in the deluxe stucco lighthouse, and this is the problem I think Bill was having here. If he went here, you go to our what's called a landing page. So this was our deluxe stucco Lighthouse landing page, and you can see it's going to give you the pictures of everything, but it's not going to give you any details on it, and that's where he just didn't go far enough. So Bill, what you can do then is just go to our Cape Hatteras. What you'll do is click on the picture. So say you like this lighthouse, now you can look at the video with it. You can click on the play button, you'll watch a video. You can click on any one of these pictures here, and it's going to get much bigger in a lightbox form. You can go through all of these and stuff like that too. When you want to get out, you just click off on the black here, and then that will take you back out of the screen to where you were. So again, now say you're interested in purchasing this. Again, you would keep scrolling down until you get to the pricing. Here's all kinds of more information. It tells you all about it. If you want to add accessories, here's where you could go to add accessories. And they're also on the left-hand side of the screen too. So again, we always give you guys options on different ways to get there. So if you want to add like a revolving beacon, you would click here, and that would take you to our revolving beacon page, and then you would add that to your shopping cart as well too. So again, hopefully this gives you guys a lot of information that's just going to be able to help you out and get you where you need to go on our website. But again, anytime you want to get back to the home page, just click on either our logo here, or you would click on our home button here, and that will take you back to our home page. So hopefully this gave you some kind of information about our navigational structure to our website, so that way you can easily maneuver around and get to wherever you do need to go. All right, well, there you have it. Hopefully this video was helpful and gave you a lot of information on how to navigate through our website. If you need anything else, always feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We're always here to help. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.